This is Renuka. Welcome to Dictogloss English classes. In today's video, we'll be covering job application. Job application is written by the job seekers in reference to the vacancy advertised. The aim of this application is to leave a good impression on the employer and sound confident and organized. It reflects the personality of the applicant and it gives a clear view of the job seeker. This letter is drafted in two parts. First part is the covering letter and the second is your biodata. The covering letter should be short and to the point, and the biodata should include the following information: name, father's name, date of birth, address, contact number, nationality, marital status, academic qualification, experience, salary expected, hobbies, and 2 references. Now let's understand a job application with the help of an example. The question is, you are Ankit or Amrita, staying at 4 Paycrofts Road, Chennai. You have come across an advertisement in the Times of India for the recruitment of computer engineer trainee by Shivam Software. Apply in response to this advertisement, giving your detailed biodata. Invent all necessary details. We'll first understand what is a covering letter and how it is drafted. The covering letter includes a brief write-up about yourself. Mention your qualification, your strong points, your interests and your hobbies, and also mention your suitability for the job. This is how a covering letter looks like. The format is like that of any other formal letter. We begin it with the sender's address, date, the receiver's designation and address, followed by salutation, then reference number, subject, then your main content of the letter, followed by complimentary clause, name of the signature and the name of the sender, and then we also mention the enclosures along with the letter. In a covering letter, in this case it will be your biodata, your other testimonials which include your date of birth certificate, your class 12 certificate, graduation degree and references of 2 people. In this case, the sender is Ankit and his address is 4 Pycroft Road, Chennai. Then we mention the date, then the receiver's designation and address. The manager, Shivam Software, AB Road, Chennai. Then salutation, then reference number. For all formal letters, where communication will not be just once, we always mention the reference number. Now this is followed by subject, application for the post of computer engineer trainee. Now the next is the content of the letter. We begin covering letter with introduction. This is in reference to the advertisement in the Times of India dated 18th July 2021 for the recruitment of computer engineer trainee in your prestigious organization. I wish to submit my candidature for the same. In the second paragraph, we mention our qualification, our strong points. I hold a degree in BTech Computers from SRM Chennai. I believe in working with sincerity and integrity in the profession that I have chosen. If given a chance, I would prove to be an asset to the organization. I am submitting my biodata for your kind perusal. I shall be available for the interview on any day of your convenience. Hoping for a favorable response, thanking you, yours sincerely, signature, the name of the person who is writing, then the enclosures. As you will see, the language is pretty standard. Just minor changes here and there, and this covering letter can be used in almost any covering letter that you get in examination. Coming to the second part of this answer, that is your biodata. We mention the word biodata the center of the page and underline it. Then we mention all the points that we discussed earlier: name, father's name, date of birth, address, phone number, marital status, nationality and academic qualification starting from class 10th to the highest. We must mention the course, the year in which the person cleared it, then the university from which he or she has studied, then the subject studied, and the percentage on the division should be mentioned, which includes mentioning the name of the organization, worked from when till when, and the post held, salary expected, hobbies, and references of two people includes mentioning their name, their designation, address, and phone numbers. The qualification mentioned should be as per the requirement of the question. In my opinion, attempting a job application is much simpler and much easier. This being a very technical letter, only thing is you have to remember all these points to be mentioned. If you have found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe it, and do share it with your friends. Thank you.